In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore and repair old photos in Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll know how to clean up dust and scratches, repair damage, bring back faded tones, reduce noise, and apply a light sharpen before saving your restored image. Start by opening your old photo in Affinity Photo. Once it's on your canvas, zoom in to at least 100% so you can clearly see the fine imperfections you'll be addressing. Take a moment to scan around the image to identify dusty areas, light scratches, and any larger tears or missing details that may need special attention later. This quick assessment will guide which tools you use and where. Begin with the in-painting brush tool to remove dust and small scratches. Keep the brush just slightly larger than the blemish you're fixing, and use short, controlled strokes. Work methodically across the image, especially in uniform areas like skies, walls, or smooth fabric, where Affinity can easily rebuild texture. If you approach a hard edge or a detailed feature like eyes, text, or decorative patterns, reduce your brush size and use gentle taps to maintain natural edges. Zoom in and out periodically to make sure the corrections blend well at both close and normal viewing distances. For larger or more complex damage, switch to the Clone Brush tool. This tool lets you sample clean texture and paint it over the damaged area. Set a soft edge for smoother blending, then sample from a nearby area that matches the tone and texture of where you're painting. Refresh your sample frequently as you move across the image so patterns and lighting remain consistent. Work in small passes and follow the direction of natural lines, like fabric weave, hair, or wood grain, to keep the result believable. Next, restore the overall image tone using levels and curves. In levels, set the black and white points by moving the sliders in toward the edges of the histogram to deepen shadows and brighten highlights. Then use curves to fine-tune contrast and, if the photo looks faded or color shifted, gently adjust individual color channels. Make small changes and toggle the preview to compare before and after. If the photo looks grainy, apply noise reduction. Aim to reduce luminance noise while preserving important detail. A balanced, moderate approach works best. Finally, apply a slight sharpen to bring back crispness without creating halos. Keep it subtle and stop as soon as fine details look clean and defined. When you're happy, save the restored photo as a high-quality copy so you preserve your work.